Hello and welcome back to the Beautiful Things channel. Today I wanted to share with you some of my ideas for Mother's Day. So Mother's Day is coming up end of February, beginning of March. Let me just check. So Mother's Day is coming up on Sunday the 10th of March, which isn't that long away now. So if you are a crafter and you are looking to make your mum something extra special, or perhaps your mum is crafty and you're not, and you'd like to get them something that they would enjoy, then I'm hoping that my gift selection guide is going to help you. Now, what I'm focusing on for this selection guide is things that Beautiful Things as a business can help you with in a number of ways. So, as you probably know, I teach sewing and craft classes both in person and online. I've got a number of courses that are available that you can partake in or you can gift. I've got a number of free tutorials online that you can use and lots of low-cost courses and items that you can buy. So I thought I would run you through a selection of free things, a selection of bits that you could potentially invest in yourself and make, and if you're not even remotely crafty, then perhaps the person that you are buying for is crafty or would like to be crafty, and you can help them on their journey. So don't just switch off if you're not crafty, watch it to the end. There's going to be something for everyone in this video. So let's start with the things that you could make that are completely free of charge on my YouTube channel. And I've got some really cute little projects. They're really fun. And the most popular one has got to be my little tea bag holder. These are fabulous little fabric wallets with a little elastic fastening. You open them up and you pop your tea bags inside. These are brilliant. If you've got a mum who loves to carry their own tea around with them, they can just pop it in their handbag and it's not going to go missing. So you can make them one yourself. The tutorial is free. It's on my YouTube. I'll link everything down below, by the way. Or if you're not crafty, but mum perhaps is, you can buy her a little mini kit. And the little kits come with everything you need to make the project. All of the fabric is cut for you and ready. It's cut to size. And there's a little piece of paper in there with a link to the YouTube tutorial so they can go and make it themselves. So 2 options for you there. The other little freebie that also comes with a kit if you want it is my little tissue pouch tutorial. These are so sweet. Again, all of us like to carry these little packets of tissues around in our handbag, but they get scraggy, they get squashed, the tissues fall out, so you can make yourself a little pouch to pop it in. It's a really cute, lovely little gift idea for mum. Or if you're not going to make it yourself, you can buy a little kit from my website, exactly the same. All the fabrics are inside and the instructions to make it. We also have lots of other little free tutorials on the YouTube channel. If they're crafty, then this is a good one. We've got a little scissor keeper, which is a lovely one. You can just make a little poppy pouch to keep your embroidery scissors in. Perhaps they do cross stitch or a little bit of hand sewing and they like to keep their scissors safe. I've also got a little needle book, again, which is very similar to the tea bag holder. Really cute, really simple, very easy to make. They are both free tutorials on my YouTube channel. There's also a free tutorial to make this fantastic little pincushion. Again, this is a real good scrap buster. If you've got lots of little bits of fabric lying around, you can make it really, really pretty, or you can just go all out and buy brand new fabrics. You could put trim or lace into the seams, entirely up to you. You can make it as fancy as you like, but that is a little free tutorial as well. So that's all our freebies. We've then got a couple of bits on our actual website which are really nice little courses that are very low cost or pay what you like. And the first one is our scrappy notebook cover. So this is designed to use all of your scrap fabrics, and you can do this lovely piece of strip fabric quilting and create a lovely notebook cover to go on the notebook of your choosing. That is a pay what you like class. It's on our website. Again, the link's down below. You can pay as little as £1 to download that full video tutorial, and I will literally talk you through every step of creating the fabric, creating the right size to fit whatever notebook you want to go for. You can do a big notebook, little notebook, entirely up to you. But that's a really nice present, nice gift idea, and that's pay what you like. One that I missed actually, that is a freebie, if your mum likes to make their own clothes, then they may like their own set of pattern weights, and these are really useful. You could make these and put them into a lovely little drawstring bag. You could make them all out of matching fabrics if you wanted to. There are various tutorials for 2 different types of pattern weights. There's flat pattern weights that you can make, or these cute little pyramid pattern weights, and that is another free tutorial on our website. Next up, we've got a few online courses that are all £5 and under. The first one is called 3 Little Gifts, and it contains 3 little gift ideas, one of which is this really cute little lip balm holder. It clips on to your handbag. Your lip balm pops in this little slot here. That's really sweet. There is a little poppy pouch that you can put your cards or gift cards in, or your store cards, and there is also a little tiny weeny drawstring bag that you can keep your headphones in. So it's 3 tiny little gifts that you can make to give. That's one course on its own on our website. You might find that they're a sewy person already and you think that they've got absolutely everything, but they might not have. You could make them one of these fantastic weighted scrap catchers. These just sit on the edge of your table. They've got a pin cushion on the top filled with emery to keep your pins sharp, and a little bucket that stays nice and open so they can pop all their threads and all their scraps in. I've got these on the edge of my sewing table here for when I'm working. That course is just £5, and again a really nice one that you could make for them, or you could gift them the course themselves so they could make it for themselves. We've also got our fold up tote, which is lovely. I'm going to put a picture up here because I haven't got one to hand. I've lost the leopard print one that is in the picture. I can't find it and I need to make another one. So if anyone can tell me where I can lay my hands on some more Rose and Hubble leopard print quilting cotton, please let me know in the comments, because I want to make another one of these. But it's a great little bag. It clips onto your bag and then you unpop it, open it up, and it is a full-size, fully lined tote. So you could make that for your mum, or you could gift them the course and they can make it themselves. Now, these are looking very tired and very old, but that's because they are very tired and they are very old. But we do have a fantastic online course where you can make these wonderful free machine embroidered lilies with beaded centres. They really are very easy and they are very effective as well, as you can see. I'd say these are probably about 8 or 10 years old, really ancient, but they are gorgeous, and a bouquet of these for your mum would be such a thoughtful present. So that is one of our online courses that you can download, or again you could buy them the course so they could make it themselves. Now, if you can crochet, the other option is we have some online crochet courses. You could make them their very own cacti garden. I don't have a full garden here, but I have got some of the littler ones that I've got in little mugs. We've got the little long cacti, little fuzzy cacti, the little brains. They look really sweet in little pots just on their own. Or you can put them together into one big garden, and that is one of our online courses that you can crochet for your mum, or alternatively they might want to do it themselves, so you can give them the course. Now, if you can't make and if your mum can't make and you would think your mum would like to make, then the best thing you can do is to purchase them an online course for themselves, or if they're local to me here in Billericay, then they can come and learn with me in the studio. So we do our beginners 1-day intensive sewing courses. We also do our beginners sewing 101, which is our online course, exactly the same class, just online, fully filmed professional videos, and you can gift any of our online courses. Just get in touch with me and I can do you a voucher and I can email it over to you so you can print it off and give it to your mum in time for Mother's Day. Same goes for our crochet. We have beginners crochet classes and intermediate crochet classes here in the studio with me, or you can do exactly the same course online. And with our beginners and our intermediate courses, we actually have kits that we send to you, so you literally have everything there ready for you to gift. Nice package, gift it to mum. Mum can sign up, she can do her online crochet course and learn to crochet. Now, if you really want to treat mum and they're very, very crafty, then I would suggest buying them a membership to our online sewing club, where they're going to be able to learn so many wonderful projects and be part of a really lovely community of other fellow sewers. If it's not for mum, then perhaps something you might want to consider signing up to now, so that you're ready for next Mother's Day. You can learn loads of different projects and you'll really get into the swing of making gifts for your friends and family. So I hope that's given you a little bit of a taster of what I can offer and how I can help you. If something there hasn't tickled your fancy, just send me a message, comment down below, ask me for what you want, because I would love to create something that's just perfect for you and or your mum. So happy Mother's Day to you all. Thank you for watching. I will see you all again soon. Bye!